Hi, welcome back to Mike Makes It. I'm just putting the finishing touches to a couple of actuator boxes I've made. On a previous video, I made a small portable device that would test one of these, a pneumatic actuator. It's air driven, 24 volt solenoids on there, and basically this will pop in and out depending on your application. There's many of these different actuators you can get hold of, but these are the ones we use at work, and there was a need to make a little tester up, so that's what I did. Somebody's been watching the video and they wanted a couple made, but a little bit bigger. And this is what you see here. The reason they want them bigger, they want them on the bench. I've made them with a battery in, so it is a portable device, but also mains powered. It uses, there you go, the end of the cable, 9-volt adapter. That'll plug into this box or this connector here, so it can sit on the bench all day. If I press a button here, so far this isn't actually connected to the mains, it's just got the 9-volt battery in there. Press the on button, off it goes. We'll put it in the garage in a moment, so you can see it working. I've got no air supply, as you'd probably expect in a workshop in the house, but nevertheless we'll take this to the garage. But it's portable, doesn't need a mains supply, but if you don't want to use a battery and you want to keep it on the bench, stick 9 volts up the back of it. Switches the battery out and away it goes. It'll run all day on the 9-volt supply. It does time out after 20 seconds. I've done the same one, same for this, the mains power device. They're both identical units, but I couldn't see any real need for keeping this running longer than 20 seconds, whether it's main powered or not. So we'll whip this one into the garage. I'll just show you the actuating, and that'll be the end of the video. But here we go, set up on the bench, different style actuator to what you saw earlier. Got an air supply connected to it, it's hooked up to the box, we're running off battery. Box works very, very simply, 20-second on timer. And the two functions of this box, single shot mode, flicker switch, variable speed. And it really has helped us at work. The previous box you saw was a little bit smaller, portable unit. The idea of this, you can sit this up on the bench, have it mains powered all the time, you're not using your battery, and you can repair these units at the bench without having to take the repaired unit back over to a machine, disable the machine and connect this up. So it's a machine saving time as well. Machines stay running, we can run tests on these units after they've been repaired, and they can be put on the shelf ready to go on the next machine. So anyhow, I hope you felt this useful. Somebody felt this was useful, that's why they've ordered 2 of them from me. So they're going in the post today, and hopefully this was another interesting video for you. Thumbs up would be great, and why not subscribe? There'll be more videos coming your way very, very soon. Anyhow, thanks for watching.